So I'm removing the ribs from the package and getting ready to remove the membrane from the ribs. I use a butter knife and a paper towel. I find that this is the easiest method for me. I tried some others, but this is the best. So I'm getting ready to cut the ribs now into a St. Louis style rib. You can see I didn't mess up the cut, but this was for the family, and that's fine by me. So then you saw me as I cut them in half, and that was the reason because of the smoker, which you'll see later. So I'm drizzling the seasonings all over the ribs, nice and even. I used a bowl and a bowl to spread it over evenly as I pat it down. And then I'm going to go ahead and season up the rib tips. I actually did cut, I think, one of them in half because it was really big. So make sure it fit in the smoker. So after this, you're going to see me put them in the smoker. There's a water pan in the smoker to keep the moisture in there. I had the thermometer set at 250. I did not have electronic probe at the time. And then you'll see me spray some water and apple juice mixture. This is about 1 hour into the smoke. It's amazing the color. And then you will see me pulling them out. This is roughly about 2.5 hours at least. It was very quick for this cook, which was amazing. You see the color is beautiful. This is barbecue sauce, butter, apple juice, and water, and I wrapped them up. And that's all you do is wrap them one by one. You'll see eventually that in the smoker, after I put them back in, there's not quite a lot of room. I wish that's the only problem with it, but you learn to manage with it. So, and you'll see me eventually going back to the smoker. I leave the water pan inside, and you will see me remove the hooks and put it on the grates. So, these are quite hot, actually. And this was like the first experience with a smoker and using the hanging rib method. You do not need a water pan and a baffle plate if you want to do a little full rack. I've done a full rack on these later on with the smoker, and it came out fantastic. So if people are scared about it, don't worry, you can fit the whole rack. It can barely touch the coals because it does shrink about 2 to 3 inches. So, and you see me there, I'm adding the grate. The temperature is rising as I have it open. So I kind of try to hurry up as fast as possible so it didn't heat up too bad. And then I just added it there. Fit about 5 of those in there. I give one a nice little pat at the end of the video. So now you'll see me pulling them out. The done product was roughly about an hour. And you'll see me the cut. This I had a really bad knife and I had trouble with it. And I go back and get a different knife and I cut it. And I realized that I should be cutting it from the top, at least with this one. I have better knives now. As you'll see the nice little smoke ring. Did very well on it. I did take a bite out of this, and you'll see that it came off the bone. And then I will give you a demonstration on how tender they are. Now these are pork spare ribs, and don't be afraid and use the Oklahoma Joe Bronco. Beautiful. Thank you very much for watching my video.